This is why our rivers need us, before silence replaces the sound of life. Don't look away because every ripple tells a story. Here's what you need to know. Last weekend I camped by a beautiful river. Crickets, willows, peace. But in the morning I found a lifeless fish on the bank. Pollution had poisoned the water, factories, farms, and our own litter. Wildlife is vanishing, the river's getting sicker. But hope isn't lost. We can clean up, plant trees, and demand real change. Every river tells a story. Let's fight for a happy ending. Like and share if you agree. Our rivers need us now.